Welcome. In front of me is a CAT S52, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. So to get started, we'll need to hold the power key and select power off. And once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume down. So let's do that right now. Power, volume down. And when you see the CAT logo, you can let go. So right now, and simply wait for the recovery mode to show up. And as you can see, we're now in the recovery mode. So from here you can reboot the device, which will simply go back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which will go to, bootloader, apply updates from either ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view recovery logs, run some tests, run local tests, and then also set CID for SD card. I assume this is some kind of protection, along with APN. I'm not actually sure what that is, and simply power off the device. Now, each option that you want to go to, you will select using volume keys, as you can see, and then you need to confirm it with power key once it's selected. So as an example, I'm going to reboot the device by selecting reboot system now, press power key to confirm it, and simply wait for the device to boot back up into Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.